Good morning everyone. Myself Manpreet Kaur. I teach in Akal Academy Kodivada. So dear students, before starting the topic, one question for you. You have to give the answer. Okay? So your question is, let's suppose there is one man. Okay? There is one man. He has 4 sons. He has 4 sons. You can see here. And he went to the market and take 4 bananas. Now what he has to do, he has to distribute all his bananas into his 4 sons equally. Okay, if he would not do so, if he would do partiality, then what would happen? Then his all 4 sons will start fighting, like in this way. Okay, so what he has to do, he has to distribute all the bananas equally. So in which way he will distribute? He will give one banana to his each son. Okay, so in this way his all sons will be happy. So in mathematics, to this term what we call division. We say this man divided his 4 bananas into his all 4 sons. Okay, so today's our topic is division. So let's start. So dear students, let's understand the topic by taking examples. Okay, so let's start. Your first question is 18 divided by 8. You have to divide 18 by 8. This is sign of division. Okay, this is sign of division. You have to keep in your mind. Okay, so you have to divide 18 by 8. To which you have to divide, to that we call dividend. To that we call dividend. So in this statement, what is dividend? 18. So 18 is dividend here. And by which we are dividing, to that number we call divisor. Okay, so in this statement, what is divisor? 8 is divisor. So now what we have to do, we have to divide 18 by 8. So I have taken 18 coins here. I have taken 18 coins here. I will divide these 18 coins into 8. Okay, so in which way I will divide? I have drawn 11 columns here, but we have to divide these 18 coins into 8. 8 means I have to divide these 18 coins into 8 columns, but equally. Okay, so I will divide these 18 coins into 8 columns. Okay, so let's start. We have to divide equally. You have to keep in your mind that we have to divide equally. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 we have to divide in 8. Okay, yes. Now I will put one more coin. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have left 2 coins here. If I will put in first and second column, then all these rest 6 columns will be left. Okay, so I can't put here because I have to divide all these columns into 8, all these 18 coins into 8 columns equally. Okay, so what? How many coins I have left? 2. So 2 is our remainder. Okay, 2 is our remainder. So I will write here 2. 2 is our remainder. Okay, and I divided these 18 coins into how many rows? I have divided into 2 rows. So 2 is our quotient. What is 2? 2 is our quotient. 2 is our remainder and 2 is our quotient. Okay, I have divided these 18 coins into 8 columns. Okay, and 2 coins are left. That's why 2 is remainder, and I have divided into 2 rows. So 2 is quotient. In this way we have to do all the sums of division. Okay. Okay, now let's take one more example for clarity. Okay, so our next question is 24 divided by 11. 24 divided by 11. Okay, so 24 divided by 11. In this, what is dividend? Dividend is that number to which we are dividing. We are dividing to 24 na, by 11. So 24 is dividend here. 24 we will write down here. And by which we are dividing? 11. So 11 is divisor. What is 11? 11 is divisor. Now we have to find out quotient and remainder. Okay. So now I will take 24 coins and I will divide into 11 columns. Okay. I will take 24 coins and I will divide into 11 columns. Okay. So let's start. Now I have taken, see here, I have taken 24 coins. I will divide these 24 coins into 11. Okay, so that's why I have drawn 11 columns here. So I will divide, firstly I will put one coin into each column firstly. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, now I will put one coin again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now again 2 coins are left because these are 2 rows. These are two rows. Now let's count how many coins are here. 1 2 3 4 5 11 in this row and 11 in this row. So overall 22 coins are here and 2 are left because I had 24 coins na, so 2 are left and I had divided into 2 rows, so quotient is 2 and how many coins are left? 2, so 2 is remainder. So what is our remainder? 2. 2 is our remainder, and in how many rows I have divided? 2 rows, so quotient is 2. Remainder is also 2 and quotient is also 2. So in this way we have to do all the sums. Okay, firstly we take by which we have to divide. In that much columns we have to divide equally, and to which we have to divide, that much coins we will take. Okay, in this way you will do these sums. This will be your homework. Okay, you have to divide 19 by 7. Firstly you will take 19 coins and divide into 7 columns. Okay, next you will take 34 coins and divide into 12 columns. So this is your homework. You will do this third and fourth question. Okay, thank you.